a senator and as a former prosecutor, I totally agree with what you just said. You can state your opinion of any one of us at the ballot box. You can write letters and try to intimidate family. Anything like that is wrong. But on a happier note, I couldn't be more proud to introduce Vermont's very own Justice Beth Robinson at her confirmation hearing this morning to serve as a judge on the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. Senator Sanders and I both know that Vermont traditionally has one seat on that circuit, and so we try to have the absolute best, and we've done that here. I know their mother Cynthia, her sister Barbara, her wife Kim, all are here in the audience today. And I was talking to them earlier, we all share that same sense of great pride. And I can say with confidence that Vermonters, regardless of party or ideology, are delighted that President Biden nominated Beth Robinson to fill the Vermont seat on the Second Circuit. Last month, as I went around our state of Vermont, I had so many people, Republicans and Democrats, come up and say, this is a great choice. She's been hailed as a tireless champion for equal rights and equal justice in the mold of the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. It's no exaggeration to say that Beth helped Vermont and America more fully realize the meaning of equality under the law. Thousands upon thousands of LGBTQ individuals across the country are able to live their lives with dignity thanks in part to the pioneering advocacy of Beth Robinson. And her nomination is truly historic. But these are not the primary reasons that Beth Robinson is sitting before us today. Instead, it is Beth's track record as a Vermont Supreme Court justice, her fairness, impartiality, and loyalty to the rule of law that make her the best possible nominee for the Second Circuit position. All current Vermont Supreme Court justices, appointed by both Republican and Democratic governors, have signed a letter supporting Beth's nomination, praising her as an excellent jurist who is measured. And the Chief Justice of our court, appointed by a Republican, went out of his way to tell me that personally. 3 former Vermont Supreme Court justices, again appointed by both Republicans and Democrats, have written letters of support for her. Vermont's Republican Governor Phil Scott has penned a letter urging her confirmation, and he noted that she was unanimously confirmed in a bipartisan show of support by the Vermont Senate. Every Republican, every Democrat voted for her because she is widely respected for her character and integrity. Mr. Chairman, I ask that those letters be included in the record.
Without objection.
And then the list of support letters from leaders across the political spectrum go on. Testament to her unimpeachable, decade-long track record as a jurist dedicated to her craft, loyal to the law above all else, and it's these qualities, compassion for all parties appearing before her, collegiality with those who disagree with her, and a brilliant legal mind that make Beth Robinson the right person for the job. So I urge all senators to evaluate Justice Robinson's record. It's our solemn obligation as senators to provide advice and consent to the president's nominee. And I think the senators of both parties will see, as I have, that Justice Robinson possesses exactly the right qualities, skills, and experience to excel as a judge in the Second Circuit. I congratulate Justice Robinson. Delighted to see her family here, this historic nomination. And I look forward to seeing her expeditiously confirmed to the Second Circuit. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thanks, Senator.